Cryptocurrencies are effectively illegal in China outside of personal use. Tight restrictions imposed 3 years ago mean they can't be used as an investment or payment method, but brokers have been able to bypass those restrictions, channeling thousands of dollars through overseas trading platforms. Joining me now for more on this is Rebecca Feng, Asia finance reporter with the Wall Street Journal. Thanks for your time. So usually the Chinese government, if it has a rule, it's able to enforce it. Does this sort of go to how hard crypto is because of its design to have restrictions on?
Yes, exactly. So crypto it's okay to trace it, but it's difficult to identify who's behind it. And that makes it very difficult for the Chinese government to figure out who is using crypto to do what.
How widespread is this? Because you uncovered a certain amount, which seems like a decent amount of money that's going on here, and even involving Australian brokers, but there might be a lot more out there, presumably.
Yeah, it's likely. Sadly, the exact scale of it is very hard to determine because Chinese users sometimes use VPNs, so you can access the crypto websites from a different IP address. So it's very difficult to kind of nail down how much exactly Chinese crypto users are moving crypto to use money offshore. But we have data from Chainalysis, which is a blockchain data firm, that they estimated about 95 billion US dollars float to China-based over-the-counter brokers. And that's quite a jump from previous years.
Does this explain at all, do you think, the fact that a lot of predictions for the price of crypto was that it might level off or drop off, but it has been booming in the last little while?
Yes, it could imply that. I think it's exactly because of the fact that crypto is quite hard to identify. It's hard to identify who's behind it. So although it's been banned, or the trading of such has been banned, it has anecdotally too has been rising in popularity among China-based users.
What does it say, do you think, around the sort of morality, I suppose, one of a better word, of investing in crypto? Because we're seeing big banks and investment firms and so on get more into it after being resistant. We know it's used a lot in criminal activity in all sorts of ways, and it's very energy intensive as well.
Yeah, can't make a judgment on that, but I think it does provide a loophole to users for different purposes. I think our reporting shows that it has been used in criminal activities, including illegal casinos elsewhere. So I think, frankly, right now, I think many of the Chinese users are not caring that much about the morality of using crypto at the moment. For them, it's much more about investing in something that they hope will provide them returns at a time when the Chinese economy itself is not giving them that many options to invest in.
Yeah, limited options as well, I suppose, because of government restrictions. Rebecca Feng, appreciate your time today. Thank you.